Good evening. Thanks for joining us. Chris is off. An Appleton man tonight at the center of a reckless homicide investigation in Allegheny County is now free.
Yeah, prosecutors dismissed the case against 36-year-old Michael Donnelly after learning some evidence was never properly logged. Donnelly was charged this last spring over the death of a 1-month-old child. It's a case that goes back 15 years. In a First Alert update, Samantha Cavalli is live in our Fox Valley newsroom with why those involved call it unfair.
Right, Cammie, it was a difficult case then, and it's just as difficult now for the families involved. The evidence that was never preserved included phone calls and photos not logged by the original investigator with Appleton police. Now, the defense says they didn't learn that until they were preparing for trial, which was set to begin at the end of this month. In court this morning, the defense shared frustrations, saying the mistakes impacted Donnelly, his family, and the child's family, calling it, quote, unfair. Donnelly's attorney went further, describing the investigation as sloppy.
Instead of a thorough investigation or review of the complaint, which would have, at that point, they would have learned that that information did not exist. And that may have made a difference as to whether or not they were going to drag this family through this hell.
Action 2 News received a statement from Appleton Police that states, quote, in late 2024, this case was re-examined by an investigator just prior to his retirement. During this review, it was discovered that certain phone calls and photos had not been logged as evidence by the original investigator in 2010. Now, these issues with the original investigator were addressed to ensure clarity and accountability, and he is no longer employed by the Appleton Police Department. The case was still referred to the Allegheny County District Attorney's Office for further review with this in mind, end quote. Now, Judge Mark McInnes today questioning the state about why the motion was filed so late and how long they knew that this evidence didn't exist. District Attorney Melinda Templis is currently at a conference and was unavailable for comment. Reporting in the Fox Valley newsroom, Samantha Cavalli, Action 2 News.